This is the worst part about going to the track is waking up. It's 6:30. And man, it's ready to go. The sun is not out yet, so we're not out yet. Okay, so we are getting ready to go. It's like 30 degrees outside right now. It's so cold. Yeah, we're just waiting for a couple of our friends to come get their cars ready. We're all gonna caravan over there. Yeah, the car's ready. We got the sway bars installed. We got their Eibach sway bars. We got the Paragon brakes installed, bedded in. The goal for today is to PB, because it is going to be PB weather. I think the fastest time I have right now in that car is 128, I believe. So now I have brakes. Now we have a more solid car as far as the sway bars, thicker sway bars. So should be good. Should be good. I'm excited. We're ready to go. It's the first session, first lap. It's very cold out, so I hope I don't spin out. Yeah, let's go. Let's go see how it does. So we already PB'd. First session. The brakes is like the biggest difference. It is a little cold right now, so we'll see how it goes throughout the day. But so far the Paragon brakes are holding. It did not.
Oh no! Is that the Miata?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Look, and this is why you keep this on the track, because I mean, as much as that sucks, that could have been a lot more worse if it wasn't on track. So this is gonna be session 2. I didn't have my Garmin set up, so I didn't get a time on my Garmin, but I did get the hot lap going, and I did a 127.1. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Just went black. Yeah. So 126.9999 is the goal for right now. So see how it goes. First turn. Woo! Let's go. Still trying to learn the Miata. Got so used to the Civic. I'm driving it like a front-wheel drive car. You can't really drive this like a front-wheel drive car. It does the complete opposite. You have to gas it for the car to rotate. If you let go of the gas like how I do in the Civic, it won't turn. It just slows down, at least with this car. So this car wants to be pushed. I gotta remember, this is still Ferns Daily. Can't push it too hard.
Nice work.
So, one thing about the track, your hair always gets smashed when you wear a helmet. So I always look like this. Random facts. Yeah. So we're done for the day. It's 2 o'clock. There's I think 2 more sessions left, but the rear right tire started to fall apart. So they're old tires. They've been to a lot of track days. I think it's been like 4 or 5 track days. The tires were not gripping as well as they usually do. Normally this car is like really it's really grippy. It's stuck to the ground. I've never had issues with it sliding, and all day we just had issues with it not having any grip. And then yeah, the rear tire just giving out just confirmed it. So even though we had that issue, we still PV'd. Our last track day, I believe I did like a 128 or something. Today we did a 127.1, so we got a second out of the car, just with good brakes and the sway bar. I was able to brake a lot later, so that gave me a little bit more confidence, but that was unbalanced by the fact that the tires were not gripping. So had more braking, less body roll, but no grip because the tires were done. So I think the 215s that were running on the car are getting pushed to the limit, so I think it's time to upgrade. So we'll see, but I'm hoping that the next upgrade will be bigger wheels or wider wheels and a wider tire. So maybe we could run maybe a 245, maybe a 255. We'll see. We'll do some research and we'll go from here. But that's pretty much it. That's we're pretty much done for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, share it. Yeah, let me know if you guys like stuff like this so we can make more content for you guys.